What would 123 phone calls per month do for your law firm? Okay. What would happen to your revenue, your monthly income, if every month 200 people found your Google My Business listing in the Google Maps? That's what you're looking at right here. 200 people on desktop search find this attorney every month. 123 people every month find this attorney and call them via cell phone search. What would that do for your law firm? That's what can happen when you blog correctly. Today, we're talking about lawyer blogging, and the simple fact is, if you blog correctly, if you do it right, your phone will ring. People will find you because of the blogs that you write. They'll call your office, they will ask you to be their lawyer, and you will make more money. Okay, all of that is true, only if you do it right. Okay, what gets under my skin, what annoys me to no end, is all of these fake guru lawyer marketing services that sell completely worthless blogs to attorneys. Okay, sometimes they sell them to my own clients. And just really annoys me. All right. So first, let's see what can happen if you do it right. You know, I sell a blog package. Typically, I sell each of my own clients 20 blog articles, one-time fee, 20 blog articles. We write the blogs, we choose the topics, we post them on your website, we optimize them for the Google search algorithm. Each of those articles just generates traffic and clients and business for your law firm day after day, year after year, okay? There's a saying that content is king. People love to say this, okay? Content is king. People like Gary Vaynerchuk, other famous marketing experts love to say this term, content is king, okay? And then people hear that, and they think that means you have to write blog articles day after day, year after year, month after month, week after week, okay? That's not what that statement means. What the statement content is king means is content that is either extremely interesting and likely to go viral, or content that people are actually searching for on Google and that you actually rank for in Google is king. Okay, if you can write that kind of content over and over, then yes, content is king. What it doesn't mean is pay someone in some third world country to go barf on your website on a weekly basis. Okay, that's not what they mean when they say content is king. So without further ado, let's get to a few case studies. Okay, let's see what it looks like when you do it right. Okay, so what are you looking at here? What are the numbers you're looking at? Let me make the screen a bit bigger. Okay, you see right here it says 940. Right here it says 39. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm going back in time. I'm analyzing the last 28 days, that's this number right here, and then for 28-21, and then the same time period, the last 28 days in 2020, okay? Everyone I'm about to show you purchased a 20 article blog package from me, okay? And let me show you the results they got, okay? This time last year, this website was generating 39 visits per month, okay? That's not a lot. That's just about one organic traffic visit per day, 39 visits per month, okay? Fast forward to 2021, 365 days later, this website, after purchasing the 20 article blog article package from me, is generating 940 visits per month, okay? That's almost a 10x difference, okay? That's about a 9x difference there. Would it help your business? Would it help your law firm? Would it help your website would your phone ring more if your website generated 9 times the traffic that it is currently generating, okay? That's why it's important to blog, because you can't only compete on your main keyword, okay? Now, why do I try to discourage my clients from going to other blogging agencies and purchasing lawyer blog articles, because what happens when you do that is whoever you purchase it from, they don't know anything about SEO, they don't know anything about blogging, and they can't spend the 8 hours that it takes to research a blog topic, to carefully write a blog article that will rank in Google. Okay, so then what do you get? Well, you get crap like this. 5 tips for talking to aging parents about estate planning. Hope for the best, plan for the worst. Estate planning that every young adult needs, okay? And my question is this: is anybody searching for those topics? Is anybody going to Google and typing in estate planning that young adults need? You can, that's a rhetorical question. You already know the answer to that question, okay? I want everyone to go to Google right now and do a Google search for estate planning lawyer PLR. Now, what does PLR stand for? It stands for private label rights. Okay, estate planning lawyer PLR. PLR stands for private label rights. I'm going to click search. I'm just going to click on the first search result. Okay, what are private label rights articles? They are articles that someone sitting in a third world country writes. You can purchase all of these worthless articles for $4.95. Okay, so when you go order from someone that knows absolutely nothing about blogging, knows absolutely nothing about the practice of law, okay, behind me, you can't see it, but it's right here. It's at the top of your screen there, is my law degree from the University of Houston, okay? This is how I'm able to write blog articles that actually rank in Google and that actually generate phone calls and paying clients for your law firm, okay? What other people are doing is they're going to shady, scammy websites like this, and they're buying 10 blog articles for $4.95, and then they're putting those articles on your website. And you get stupid topics like estate planning, saving money, estate planning, what is a trust, estate planning, what to consider. Is anybody going to Google and typing in estate planning, what to consider? The answer is no. That's a rhetorical question. You already know the answer to that, and it's no. Okay, so there's no reason to go buy these completely useless blog articles from people. Okay, so let's get back to what happens when you do it correctly. Okay, what happens when you hire someone who, one, actually knows what they're doing, when you hire that person to write your blog article, and two, actually cares about you? What happens is they use that knowledge to make your damn phone ring. Okay, here's someone, this time last year, they're generating 326 visits to their website every month. Not bad, not bad for a family law attorney. Flash forward to 2021, they're generating 2,470 visits to their website every month. This is what happens when you find someone who actually knows how to blog and you pay them to write your blog articles, okay? What would it do for your website? I don't even know what this is. Like, this is probably a 5X, a 6X. Not incredibly good at math, although my undergrad is engineering, okay? What would it do for your website if your website traffic increased this much, okay? I'll show you what it would do. Okay, it might help you get 170 phone calls per month. Okay, this person went from 326 organic search visits to their website per month. 1 year later, 20 blog articles later, they're getting 2,470 organic search visits per month. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Okay, this same time period, back in 2020, 828 visits per month. Fast forward 1 year, 2021, 20 blog articles later, this same website is now generating 2,560 organic search traffic visits per month. What would that do for your law firm? if by this time next year, you went from 128 organic search traffic visits per month to 2,560 search traffic visits per month. I'll tell you what it would do. It would just explode your phone calls. It would explode the amount of money you're making every month. Okay. So far, I'm asking you to judge me on my winners, right? Now I'm going to ask you to judge me on my losers, okay? The ones that didn't work out very well. I know that sounds very cheesy, okay? Here's someone, their blog article package only doubled their website traffic, okay? That's all it did. It only doubled their website traffic. 2020, they're making about 1,100 organic search visits per month. Fast forward 12 months, 2021, they're getting over 2,400 search traffic visits per month. This was kind of a failure. All I was able to do was double their traffic in less than 1 year. Okay, what would that do for your website if you were able to double your traffic in 1 year? It would just explode your phone. That's what it would do. Okay, let's look at another loser, another blog article package that didn't work out so well. This person in 1 year only went from 3,100 visits per month to 5,700 visits per month. Okay, that's what it looks like when it doesn't work out so well. You nearly double your search traffic. Okay, what would that do for your law firm? Let's look at another one that's kind of a big loser. This time last year, 1,140 organic search visits. Fast forward 1 year, 1,400. Okay, so this one, someone who purchased relatively recently, and you're only looking at about a 300 visit per month increase. Okay, that's what happens when it doesn't work out so well, when it doesn't happen immediately. Okay, once again, let me see if I can make this a bit bigger. What would 123 phone calls per month do for your law firm? Okay, what would happen to your revenue, your monthly income, if every month 200 people found your Google My Business listing in the Google Maps? That's what you're looking at right here. 200 people on desktop search find this attorney every month. 123 people every month find this attorney and call them via cell phone search. What would that do for your law firm? That's what can happen when you blog correctly. You want to know how to get this. How can you purchase my 20 article blog article package? You don't have to blog constantly. You don't have to always be blogging, but you're not going to rank for certain keywords if those keywords are not on your website. You're not going to get phone calls from people who are looking for certain keywords if those particular articles are not on your website, and if those particular articles don't actually rank on page 1 of the Google search results. Okay, so how can you avail yourself of this? How can you purchase my 20 blog article package one-time fee? Well, what you can do right now is go to DustinSanchezTV.com/now. Let me put that on the screen. DustinSanchezTV.com/now, NOW. All right, I'll make that a little bit bigger. Go to DustinSanchezTV.com/now and opt in there. That's a landing page. Opt in there. You're going to get an email. I want you to reply back and just ask me, how much does the blog article package cost? Okay, rather not say it publicly, because then I got all my competitors trying to underbid me, and then I have all these lawyers falling for their low prices and then getting bent over with a bunch of blog articles that are completely worthless. Like, what should you do if you're gonna get a divorce? You know, nobody's searching for you. Anyways, I'm Dustin Sanchez. DustinSanchezTV.com. Let's just go to the Facebook. Hit me up, DustinSanchezTV.com. Join my newsletter at DustinSanchezTV.com/now if you want to know what's working now in lawyer marketing. Peace out, everybody.